Hey, what's up everybody? It's Demo, and today we are unboxing and looking at the K670 microphone. So, hope you enjoy. This is another little sponsored video by FiFine. This is the second item they sent me. So, let's check it out. Ever since my FiFine camera review, we've been talking about sending me a mic, and that mic finally came in today. And as you can see outside the packaging, we have a little white box. Turns out that's upside down, and there it is, the FiFine logo. Some of this footage might be a little glaring on the paper and box and whatnot, and that's because I have my desk light on, so don't mind the glare, that will be gone soon. We just gotta get this tape off the box here, so we can get it open. Alright, let's slide this off, and what we have here, with everything, of course, you got your little paperwork, and there's a little, it's kind of like an instructional thank you bookmark that has their social media links on it. So, yeah, that's pretty neat. I've opened up a few microphones before. None of them have given me a social media bookmark that says thank you on the back. There's some paperwork, your little instructional manual. And this is a pretty lengthy instructional manual, I will tell you that. It tells you everything that comes with it, how to activate it on your computer. It's very thorough, so I'm very thankful on how thorough this instructional pamphlet is. Underneath the layering, we have what seems to be a missing piece. And then I realized, oh, that's where this thing goes. That moved during shipping, apparently. So, yes. Underneath our little foam piece right there, we got the base to our stand, which feels really nice. This stand is made out of like a hard metal and it's rubber underneath. So yeah, that was me knocking on it, so you can hear sort of the build quality. It doesn't sound like plastic. It is really weighty, I will say that. This is a USB plug-and-go microphone, so you got your USB right here. Right next to that is a little package that has your mic stand, extra piece on it so you can prop your mic up. As you can see with the creases, this is 3 separate pieces you can screw into one to adjust its height. So, unscrewed it there, re-screw it back so we can get it as tall as possible. And right underneath that is a microphone adapter, so if your microphone doesn't fit on a specific stand, you can put this on it and it should screw onto that stand. Next is the microphone itself, the nice little centerpiece here, and it has a little mic stand adapter built onto it. This microphone does have what says a volume knob, but that's really your gain knob. Don't be fooled by volume. That's your gain knob right there. And on the back of it, there is a headphone jack where you can plug in your headphones for monitoring. And underneath this, there's really nothing else, so let's set this microphone up and then test some sound. Alright, so we got our little base piece here, and we are going to take our little metal pole and just screw it in there. Now, our adapter piece we don't need because that's for other mic stands if you're hooking it onto one. But for right now, we are going to use the mic stand that came with it. So just put your microphone on that, spin it around until it's nice and tight, and there you go. Like all mic stands, this does have a little knob on the side to where you can tighten it up and everything, and have it at the right angle you want it at. The last piece of our setup is plugging in the USB itself. So you got the big square bottom part of the USB. That's going to go directly into the microphone. And the normal USB side will go into your computer. So we're going to pop off this cap right here. We're going to plug this into our computer. And once it's plugged in, it's a little hard to see, but the microphone itself lights up, and that is indicating that it's on. It does have a blue light on it. I think that's actually pretty neat. It appeals to my sense of blue because I have blue everything in here. I am now going to shut off the light in the bedroom so you can see how blue it is. Now, thanks to the FiFine camera that does auto light adjustment, it's still a little hard to see how blue this actually is. So I'm going to take some phone footage and edit that in right now. Alright, there's the FiFine microphone right there. And we are going to shut off this light, which is stupidly bright. There. Now it's nice and dark. And you can see right there how blue it actually does look without the FiFine camera's auto light adjustment. And just in case my phone is being a bit bright, we can turn the brightness down on my phone, and you can see it right there. Alright, now it is time to finally test the audio on this microphone. For the first test, we are going to have it set up on the stand that it came with, and then we will transfer it over. Test 1, test 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am now speaking into the FiFine microphone. This is the K670. Test 2, test 2. This is the K670 with padding on it. Trying to see how it sounds now. Alright, this is the K670 with the volume down as much as I can have it without it muting itself, so this is how that sounds. Alright, this is where we are going to switch microphone stands so I can have the mic closer to my mouth instead of on the stand it came with, and we will see how that sounds. So, I'm replacing my Shure SM7B on this stand with the FiFine microphone. Let's get that plugged in and let's see if it's any different. Alright, now that the microphone is plugged in and on my stand so it's closer to my face, we're going to do a test with the padding on. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we are going to remove the padding, see if it sounds any different. Alright, this is another test without the foam padding on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me know how it sounds. Alright, we are going to switch over now to another setting of mine and check how this sounds with EQs on and everything like that and all the little effects that I have on OBS. Alright, this is the K670 with EQ and all that jazz on it, all my effects from OBS. Each microphone is different with different sets of EQs, so maybe I have to mess with it more. I have no idea how it sounds right now. This is just how it sounds, blank as is with my already made presets. So, I'm going to put the filter on it, and let's see if it sounds any different. Alright, this is the FiFine K670 with the filter on it, and EQs on, and all that jazz, so this is how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair, Fuzzy Wuzzy was a very fuzzy wuzzy. Like all microphones that I try to test out, we gotta put it to the test and we have to make a song. So, here we go. Alright, we are going to use a verse from my album Blackout from Pure 2. Let's hope it works out, and let's see if I can remember the verse, because it's been a while. 2020, there's been no shows going on. With my weapon, I'm steady, getting these frost giants of great power. I'm responsible to make them silent. Getting the guillotine, the kill count is killing me. Killing the competition to burn them a love of kerosene. I guarantee you'll be down in the dirt with centipedes. You have yet to see my power, I'm afraid for my enemies. Alright, so we did that. We are going to skip a bunch of the mastering process that I did. It was just quick mastering, nothing special, and see if we can get this mic to sound good on a legitimate song. While recording, I did turn the gain up on the microphone a little bit more, so there is some peaking while I was recording the song, which I will show here. Evolution, I'm more plague than human, I'm a nuisance. I'm in every needle and vow. I'm the reason for the death and the 911 on your phone dial. So honestly, if you're using this mic, I recommend using it at the volume to where you turn it up enough to where it starts detecting your voice and no more than that, and put it on a mic stand and closer to your mouth. Don't turn it up really anything past the 20% mark. And now that I've shown you that, let's go and check out and see how this microphone sounds if you're working on some sort of song.
With my weapon, I'm steady gutting these frost giants of great power. I'm responsible to make them silent. Get in the guillotine, the kill count is killing me. Killing the competition to burn them alive with kerosene. I guarantee you'll be down in the dirt with centipedes. You have yet to see my power, I'm afraid for my enemies.
See, that's not too bad. I think it's a pretty good job, all things considered. And if you have been wondering, yes, the entire review that you just watched has been recorded from the microphone itself. This is the K670 from FiFine, and thank you again, FiFine, for sending me this awesome little microphone. I'm kind of shocked on how good it is. For 60 bucks, this is an amazing mic. If you are a streamer and you don't have XLR mics and you're going USB, I do recommend this. Once again, FiFine has just been killing it with streamer gear. I might make some sort of budget bundle with this in the camera and everything like that. We will see. Right now, this is on my boom mic arm stand right now, and my Shure SM7B is on the mic stand that came with it. So there you go. I think the best and optimal way to use this mic is to turn the gain down or up just enough to where it just starts detecting your voice, and then put it on a mic stand closer to you. That way it, you know, doesn't get that air sound to it. You can still have it like up to your face, but not like blowing in it. I always try to keep the rule of like 5-finger distance away from your microphone if you're talking. If you have any pops or anything like that, do apply a pop filter. That's, you know, obvious. I do recommend this for the price it is. A USB microphone that's $60. You don't have to mess with XLR cables with more expensive microphones and stuff like that. It's really clear. It's a really clear sound. I think it's awesome. Thank you. I know I said it like once or twice already. Thank you, FiFine, for sending me this microphone. I'm sure I will put it to use on some of my projects. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Tell me what you think about this microphone right here. I will talk to you guys later, and bye-bye. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Demo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you haven't, click subscribe. It would mean a lot. We're almost at 400 subscribers, and these mic and camera reviews wouldn't be possible without you guys coming and watching the tech videos, which have been kind of a little success. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and you know, it means a lot. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.